Hey guys, welcome to Blue Collection. Today I wanted to show you 3 steelbooks I just got from the Disney Pixar movies Toy Story, Toy Story 2 and Toy Story 3. These are imports from Germany. The sticker is removable and all these 3 steelbooks are region free. So let's start with Toy Story 1. So here it is. This is the rewards code for Germany. And one disc only Blu-ray. It also says here region free. All the text is in German and it's just plain glossy and colorful. So here's number 2. Also just plain, very glossy and colorful. Woody on the cover. Another code for your Disney movie rewards for Germany. And one disc only, region free. Okay, and the last one, Toy Story 3. Silverish look with Buzz, very glossy and colorful. And here's another code for your Disney movie rewards. Oh, this one is 2 discs. So the previous one was just 1 disc. This one has the feature movie on disc 1, region free, and the special features on disc 2, also region free. I just removed the sticker so it looks much better. 3, number 2, and the number 1. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video. Hope you liked it. And click here if you want to see the review for The Incredibles in Steelbook. Thanks again, and see you next time.